Hayi-ke angazi ukuthi kwenzakalani ngawe because namhlanje ushushu kusasa uyabanda. I don't even know what is going on. The next thing siyalalana siyaqabulana uyandiphuza ndiyakuphuza. I don't know what is going on. The next thing we're sitting on the table. Then okay, we're sitting around the table. Awukwazi nokundijonga emehlweni. What is going on, Nkosi? Palisa asked. Nkosi said, you know what, Palisa? Whatever happened between us. So Ngosi says, whatever that has happened between us, let us call it a mistake because it shouldn't have happened. So yeah, asishiela possibly value. Palisa was very confused. She said, okay, but see, we're calling it a mistake, but it has happened. Before then, you couldn't keep your hands off me. You were all over me. Now it's a mistake. Wow. So it looks like nje upalisa uhetegile. And I don't know why. But okay, this time around I feel it's justifiable because Unkosi agana muntu, Palisa does not have muntu. So there's no one who's cheating on anyone. It was a mutual understanding and mutual feeling. They're both lonely and and they need each other. You see. So I don't understand what is this. No. It was a mistake. I don't know. Ladies and gentlemen, as you can already see, we're going to be reviewing A House of Zwide Sanbunan. Dimadekwana abusheni molweni minjani hipukile hingongwena. So namuhla ka nonokwa hina wa House of Zwide hikuma kurishla tamsekangi kahle looking at the fact that so Katleho, because he wanted to mend things with Keleto so bad, he was then not forced, but asked if he could go to Pastor Ezekiel's house or Pastor Ezekiel's camp and get information that was needed. He went there. On him being there, well, of course, at first he refused, and even Isaac did say, Wuti, that's a very dangerous act. We shouldn't have been exposing the child to. But it materialized, So he goes there, and then vele umfundisi uyabuya lapha. Mabuya uyabuza, child, what are you doing on my laptop? Because now he was there and then he was on a phone call getting instructions. So when that whole conversation happened, Guti, Guti kwenzakalani ngabantu abangibetray that don't abangana bono fara mlenje ngangeni ngiyambona ukhatha ukuthi ukuphi. He tried betraying me. So all of that conversation was being recorded. And then now it's like a self-explanatory essay, or it's like him confessing everything that has happened. Athi yambona ukhatha ufuna ukufana naye, uyakhumbula lesa sikhathi ushe ungekho right, ufuna ukubuyela lapho. Cha, hayi baba, bengithi ngiyaklina, ngafuna bengithatha laptop yakho ngithi ngibhekana nemusic, and then nje one thing led to another, and yeah, that's why ungithole ngilapha. Athi kena, okay, it's fine. Impa he. Ntho yerileng today ha ino phete e etsagale hape. O make sure gore wena ha o tshware laptop yaka, because mo laptopong yaka go na le diphiri le makunutu e leng gore ha ke nyake o itse ka ona. Well, he then let Katlego leaves. Now my biggest worry is the USB that he has. Will he manage to take it to the Mlapo house? Won't it get lost along the way? Stress Katlego, guys, I don't want to lie, but he was so excited, and then he started having the conversation with Ukele. It's like, oh Kele, I was doing all this for you, and I wanted to say thank you, and I'm like, oh please. How cute. And then now Malume Mo says, hey, remember, so you can't be having those kind of conversation in front of during of abantu abadala. Now, the other problem that we have is that Umampo is very scared of where she's going, to a point that she needed Umaria to go and speak to Nkosi. I keep saying Nkosi when I want to say Sogalezwe. To go and speak to Sogalezwe about the cotizaring situation, because she feels Guti Umampo can cotiza. Now, I fall da balani mo se acher, okay, I know Horkasi Zulu. That is for Mama Zara, Mampo's mother, and then ulo umkhwenyana otigena. No, we can't have that in Komo because umtanako agasi chichi. Ay, yaba mic down. Ati agaphelela. Hey, mara ha tlo shapa di sleep over o felletse. No, because go nyaka kgomo ha fella. Oh, Mary, my God. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for watching my video. I will see you on my next upload. Please remember to give this video a very big thumbs up if you have made it this far. And I want to remind you, ladies and gentlemen, that please remember that in this channel we do not upload episodes. We only review full episode a day after. So please don't comment and shout at me, hey, we want a full episode. Why you not posting a full episode? Why usitshela indaba? That is what the channel is all about. Review. We are reviewing an episode that has already aired. So if you've got something to share based on that episode, or if you have watched that episode, then you come, we discuss, we laugh, we are happy. Asilwi lana, siyathandana, we are happy, and we are not we are not different based on languages. Re batho ba i-one, we are all Africans and happy.